Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we are going to do something we haven't done before. It's a new product. Well, it's not really new. It's been out for a little bit. My friend Tanner makes them, and he is the pinball scientist. You can go to pinballscientist.com and you can purchase some of these for yourself. So we will leave that right there. Anyway, these are Mylar self-leveling inserts. It's got the instructions on them. We got the Mylar. So we're going to try this out. I have not tried one of these yet. Playfield needs to be cleaned. And you will need a tweezers. I'm going to use the tweezers to pull these off. I don't want to touch them. Yeah, I'm going to have to touch them. That fit in there real nice. Holy crap. The Tanner. I'm impressed. You can't even tell now. You cannot even tell that that's been leveled. I had a problem with this playfield. All the inserts are sunken real bad. And that has helped. One of the balls. This playfield is not level. Here's one we haven't done yet. Can't really see. You can't see the difference. I can feel the difference though. Especially like on this number 4 here. We're going to do this number 4 too. We're actually, I'm going to do all the giant inserts, but I can feel how much higher that is. I can feel the height. These are cut perfect. Now all these inserts, they have been cleaned. So that goes on stupid easy. My big thing is these are sunken a little bit and I just need to level them up a little bit because, well, because. But these are, so far, I ain't got any complaints about these things. These are awesome. I have used other products that Tanner has made in the past, like the EM Scorekeeper, the Track Mode mod, and everything that I have gotten from him. It is just stellar, and these things just fit in stupid easy. I'm just setting them in there right now. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I just had to look real good to make sure I put one in there. Put one right in here. Here's a nice clear one. You can kind of see the difference. But these go on very, very easy. That one's my fault. I got a bubble in there. That's my fault. I got carried away because this mod is just so easy. Look at that. This is a great mod. It leveled them out a little bit more. Better than what they were. Like I said, these were pretty sunken. They are higher now. And they also are protecting the art that's on the numbers, which is also a nice thing too. So if you got some bad art that's on your numbers and you don't want it to get destroyed anymore, these inserts are also great for that. Yeah, here's 5,000 that's done, and there's 6,000 that isn't done. But yeah, I'm gonna go around and pop the rest of these on. So yeah, just showing you how easy they are. I mean, you can see how fast I'm zooming through. I'm just using my tweezers, laying it down, rubbing it on. Look at that. I mean, these things are just going on great. Like I said, I've never used these before, and I noticed Playfield had way too many dropped inserts. You can see how fast I'm just going through. Okay, I gotta do 3,000 and 4,000. But these are a precise cut too. No, you didn't see those top ones. You can see how fast I threw these down. This whole playfield is like that. Now, I originally inquired about these from Tanner because these were super stupid sunk. These, I didn't feel that his product was gonna do anything for these because they were so sunk. I mean, they were like fishbowl. They were totally stuck in here, so they weren't loose where I could heat them up and then, you know, pound them up and then reseal them. These were glued in super stupid hard. So what I ended up using clear to level these out. But I knew this product that Tanner's got here would be a great replacement for everything else. As you can see how fast everything is going. I went through a whole sheet already that quick. I like that he's got one inch, the pinballscientist.com, 1 inch. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm showing you how fast this is to do. I mean, like I said, these I've never done before, so I'm giving the product a thumbs up. Did I do that one? Yeah, I did. I get a quick rubbing them down completely so I can see where I left off. Because when they go down, they're down, and then I can't see where I was, where I had left off, because they're going down so clear, and they're fitting perfect. I mean spot on perfect in the holes. One here, one. Well, those are done already. The only thing I have to do is the top. So yeah, I'm totally sold on this product. I am totally sold on it. So, my opinion of this product, it is a great product. It does what it does. The only other thing I might think is to offer a thicker version. So I will send Tanner my feedback on that, to offer a thicker version too. I'd rather not double up the Mylar. I'd rather just put a thicker version, you know, thicker one on. That's me. This one I stuck down too quick. I got bubbles in it. It's not the product's fault. That's my fault. I'm going down too quick on it. The opaque ones, the transparent ones here, you got to be a little more careful putting them on. Did they even put one on there? I can't even tell. Yeah, I did. Like I said, these. Yeah, there's one on there. These things are going on so great. It's just hard to see where I've put them on. Okay, I have to do one here and one here. I got these two to do now. But man, yeah, Tanner, these are awesome. I like them. So, like I said, they're great for leveling your sunken inserts, and if you touched up your art at all on your insert, this is also a great protector for them. As you can see how quick these are going on. It's just incredible. So I got 5 more to do, and what, we're 13 minutes into this video, and you can just see how quick everything went, how easy these go on. I'm gonna put Tanner's link in the description below too, so you can order your own set. But yeah, I like these. I like them. But yeah, you just peel them off with your tweezers. You can see how stupid fast they go on. Like I said, I've never used these before. Never used them before. There. So, yeah. 2 thumbs ups for this product. Like I said, these were way too low for these to work. So I didn't even try when I contacted Tanner about these. He sent me enough to do this whole machine. And yeah. Let's see how many I just did. What is it? I'm on 16 minutes right now. Alright, let's get these up and into a safe spot. And I also like the sticker. I have a toolbox where I put my stickers. That's a cool shiny sticker, the Pinball Scientist. That will go on my toolbox. So what do we got here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28 inserts I just did in like 16 minutes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 inserts. You can't see that one right there. But 28 inserts I just did in like 16 minutes. And like I said, oh, I bet you my hair is all messed up now. I was wearing my Harbor Freight thing so I can see. I've never used these before, and I like them. I will use them again. They did a great job. Yeah, they're awesome. You can see how quick they went on. They went on stupid quick. And like I said, these were just so sunken in. I would have had probably like 6 or 7 stickers on each insert to get those up, which I don't know. I don't think it was worth the time to put 6 or 7 inserts on each hole. So I just clear coated them, sanded them down, and those were up. But these were just mildly lower, which I think was perfect. Where's the tweezers? I could take the tweezers and go around in a circle too. Yeah. Just to make sure that they're set around. I'm just going around inside of the circle. So yeah, if you got mildly lowered inserts, these will work great. If you have seriously lowered inserts, where like mine was like a big cup, no, they're not going to help you. However, if you got bad art that is flaking off, I believe these will help your art. I'm just going around in a circle just to make sure the edges are nice and down on each insert. But yeah, Tanner, link below. Let's get the sticker again. Focus. There we go. I like the sticker. So yeah, if you want your own, link will be in the bottom. Also, subscribe to him on his YouTube page. I'll have that down below too. You better be subscribed to mine because I just did a cool video for you. So if you're watching my video, yeah, you, the one that was interested in this product, drop me a like and subscribe, drop a comment down. Yeah, that's about it. Cool stuff along the bottom here. Take care and later.